Hey everyone, today we're going to check out a new 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, the iconic Boston Whaler. Beginning here on the transom, this boat's equipped with the Mercury 115, great match for this boat. You also have jump seats here in the rear that are removable. If you're out fishing, you can remove the backrest, have rod holders all the way across the back. You have a very open cockpit. With this design now that Whaler came out with, the 25-gallon fuel tank is under the deck, so it cleans this area up quite a bit. You have a large live well under the helm seat, which is a leaning post seat that can go either forward or backward. As you see, this boat is equipped with the bimini top, so very versatile. You can collapse it when not in use. Moving up to the helm, we have the nicer upgraded Simrad. You also have JL audio stereo. Of course, your Mercury controls and all your switches for your key items. Moving on forward, the cooler seat is a great place to sit up here. You've got a commanding view of the water, very comfortable. You can prop your feet up. You also have two sets of cushions that complete the bow area. Your anchor locker is under the forward bow cushion. This boat is also equipped with a trolling motor panel, so if you ever wanted to add a trolling motor, it's very easy to do. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.